Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now we are going to present our system, healthcare information system. Before we present the demo, we will briefly look at what we are going to offer. And then the software requirement specifications for health information system is described in this document in brief. That is for the introductory part. It will also describe how the system works and what features it will offer. This document outlines that project scopes and serves as a strategy for the system design and implementation. It does bring out all of the criteria for the reader or anybody who else could be involved in this project. Next, for the background, like if we have to discuss the background of the project, the HIS allows people to improve patient care. I mean doctors, healthcare workers, they are being helped to improve the patient care while also increasing the profit for the organization. The software also allows clinics and veterinarians to better serve their patients. Computers were utilized in the early days extensively by healthcare practitioners, and it is being used till today for administrative functions. It disseminates data throughout the clinic to aid patient care, administration, and financial decisions, obviously. Moving on, what are the objectives we will try and attempt to achieve is that the system is going to our system is going to provide and enable performance of the patient care process in terms of improving it vastly. And then secondly, it will also provide communication between care providers through sharing of information. And thirdly, it will provide easy understanding of how the system actually works in real life scenarios. And what are our target? Who are our target users? The target users is definitely somebody is going to manage the systems, the one who we call admin, and then the doctor, and then the receptionist. So these three people will be the key target users. And then moving on, let's start with the demo. Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is our group project, Health Information Management System. So this is the interface for projects. We run it from the NetBeans, and so this is the home page of our project. So basically in this project we have three modules, which is receptionist, HIMS admin, admin and the doctor, uh, and the pharmacy module. So this is basically a Java project. So now we have three users, receptionist, admin, and the doctors. So let's go to the admin first, and then we log in as an admin, and then this is user ID admin, password is admin, and then we sign in, and then we have this data. So first we will add a new doctor, and then we will add a new patient, and then we will try to establish uh, like we want to see how these modules work. So let's add the ID for the doctors, let's say the ID is 205, and the first name is um, Muhammad Zulfik. This is the first name. Age is 35, blood group is A plus, male, department is dentist, and then the address is going to be BBU APT Malacca, and the passport is going to be BHJ 00987. Phone number is going to be 014567987. City or branch is going to be Malacca, and then appointed date is going to be 9/08/2020. Let's say for example 20. Departure date is going to be 9/9/08/2025. Office hours, maybe he's available from 9 to 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. and the working days is working 7 hours a week, And for the testing purpose, just now we add any image for our testing purpose only. So we add this image for a testing purpose, and then we add a doctor. The doctor record is inserted. If you want, we can delete the doctors, but let's view the doctors first. So the doctors has been inserted, but however we forgot to add the user ID and password for the doctor, so we can fix that from the update doctors. So the doctor we added is Muhammad Zaim Zulfikli. Let's try to update the doctors. Let's try first search doctor, and then let's add username and password. Username is Zulfik, password is any password. Okay, and then we update it. Record has been updated, and now if we view the doctors and the record has been updated, let us try deleting one doctor. So we want to delete the doctor ID with 99, which was our test case. So let's try deleting the doctor 99 and then delete the doctors. The doctors record is deleted. Now if we view the doctors, and then the doctor ID with 99 no longer exists. So that's all for the doctor module, and then we need to go back, and then we need to explore our patient module. So which is, first we need to add a patient. So now we want to add a patient with ID 500, for example, and then the patient name is any name like Muhammad Zaman. Zaman, yes. Age is 35, and then he is single, and then his gender is male, and then the date is 21/09 and 20/20, and the address is Durian Tungal, Kero, and then passport is YTPO 5579, and patient type is and the phone number is indoor patient. Okay, phone number is 0145678890. Bed is 99, and then for our testing purpose, like we add any picture, and then we add the patient, and then record has been inserted successfully. So we can retrieve the data for this patient. For example, this is the one we added just now, and then we can also view list of patients we added during our testing purpose, and during the previous ad we can just do some kind of search bar, like 3 appears or 500, only 500. So this is our search bar, and then what to do, and then go to employee, and then we have one employee already, and then we can add or remove employees. So we can remove this employees, and then we can add one, Habib, and passport 663 and then age 26, and then mail, and then phone number 0146116618, and then branch definitely Malacca for our testing purpose, pharmacist, and then address BBU APT, and then just add any image. We can add an image for a testing purpose, and which is here in the pictures, and then what we can do is that we can add, and then record has been inserted. Yeah, the record has been inserted. Additionally, we can update the record also. Okay, maybe the age is 55, like that, and then the update, and the record has been updated, the age is now 55, and then um, we can explore our word and assign module. So this is our word and assign module. Just now for the testing purpose I can add one for the a new word, and then emergency, yeah, bed type is emergency, and the word number is 500. We can add this bed, and we can remove this bed, and definitely we can update this bed also, and then we can go back and uh, we will now proceed with the receptionist information. So this is, so first thing first, we will add one receptionist informations, like receptionist information with ID 700, and then the first name is going to be uh, Abdul, uh, and last name is going to be Malik, and the age is going to be 35, then the gender is going to be male, and then phone number is going to be 987 0146 and the username is going to be Malik, and the password is going to be 1234, and the city or branch is going to be Malacca, and the passport is going to be HGPX CVM. The address is going to be IR Kero, and then we can add any picture for a testing purpose, and then yeah, and then we can add this picture, we add any picture for testing purpose, and then we can simply add, and then after the record has been inserted, you can see the record for the receptionist is added, and similarly we can add any delete or update any receptionist from our database. Just now we deleted the previous one, so our username is Malik and the password is 1234. Just we need to remember that. So this is our receptionist information. So we have explored all the modules here: doctor, database, patient, employee, department information, reception information, and the word information, and word or bed information, and then we can simply log out, and then we can go back, and then what we have more. So this is our admin panel. For the receptionist, for the doctor panel, let's see what we can do. We can like, let's say for example, we need an user ID and password for the doctor. I forgot what was our user ID and password, so if we go to our admin, um, and then from the doctors database, and then we can view the doctors, and then we can select any ID and password. Username is Zulfik and password is 1234. Zulfik and password, we can use this ID, and password to log in into our doctor. So the username is Zulfik and password is 1234, and then also as we proceed, we have this doctor patient consultation module. So we have three modules here. For the patients we can see schedule information, so we have only one patient. Let's add one more for our testing purpose, so which is 500 ID 501. This is Muhammad uh, Ali, and then age 35, and then single, and then male, and then the date is going to be let's see, the date is going to be 2009 21 0421, and the address is going to be BBU Ayarkera, and then passport will be BXMYP09 09. Okay, and the phone number is going to be uh, this one, and the bed number is going to be 99, which we already have in the which we have already registered from the bed module, and the patient type is going to be this one, indoor. And then once we add patient, we have this patient 501, and then we go back and then we can discharge this patient. So we have seen that from here we have two patients right now. We want to discharge one of them. Let's say, for example, we want to discharge 501. So we can discharge the patient with 501 ID, search patient, and then we can discharge the patient. So discharge the patient, record deleted, and I mean the patient has been discharged. So if we go to the all patient, and then we see we have only one patient because one patient has been discharged, and then we can go back and then we can log out of the doctor patient consultation module, and then we can simply see what we have in the pharmacy module. In the pharmacy module we have this list of, we can manage medicines in the pharmacy modules. So we can key in drug name. For example, drug name is Napa extra 500, and then 2 times a day, and then identification number is 567890, and then recommended dose, um, how in milligram actually, so maybe 50 ml. And then vital signs, when you need to take this medicine. If suppose we have a mild fever, then you need to take the medicine, and then issue date is 2 and 209, 09, and 2019. Expiry date is 209, 2025, and the supplier is Beximco Pharma. And the first clinical checkup done, yes. Prices is 19 and the quantity is 100, and then we can add this medicine here, and the medicine has been added successfully. Another feature I have is that we have is the view order. For example, uh, if you want to view order, I mean, like, do you have any bill here? um, so order ID, I have any bill or not sure. Yes, I have one order here. So if you want, we can generate the report for this order. So just press confirm and report, and order has been confirmed by the receptionist. Your data has been saved in the medical record system. So we can see the downloaded text file of the bill we have just printed now, and it has been printed in our project directory. If you go to our project directory, we can see the bill here. So this is the one we have just now printed. The previous ones are the have been uh, produced from previous test and trials. Now, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your patience and patiently listening. Thank you very much.